Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Geo Payment Bank account on iPhone. The good news is you can open the account completely online using the mobile phone in just a few minutes. First, make sure you have these things ready. Your Aadhaar card linked with your mobile number, your PAN card, and a stable internet connection. After that, open the MyGeo app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from App Store. Log in using your Geo mobile number and the OTP sent to your phone. Once you are logged in, go to the Geo Payment Bank section. You will usually find it on the home screen under the Finance or Banking option. After that, tap on Open Account or Active Geo Payment Banking. Now enter your PAN card details and verify them. After that, complete Aadhaar card based OTP verification. An OTP will be sent to your mobile number linked with your Aadhaar card. Fill in your basic details like name, date of birth, address, then submit the form. After successfully verification, Geo payment account will be activated. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.